I wonder, are we unique on this planet, or does life exist elsewhere in the universe? And in particular, might it exist on the planet Mars, because the planet Mars is the planet that is most similar to Earth? Well, NASA has sent a number of missions to the planet Mars looking for life, and I want to describe some of the results of those. Let me first introduce the concept to you, and it is called the habitable zone. Here is the solar system. All right, we have 8 planets. I don't know that all of them are shown here, but the sun is off to the left here, and you have 4 planets that are called terrestrial planets. They're somewhat like the Earth: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then you have, now this is a Hubble Space Telescope picture of Mars, and what you see when you look at Mars through a telescope is red patches here that are sand that are in the low-lying regions of the planet, and this darker material that is rocky. You'll see polar caps here, the north and south poles of Mars. We know that they consist of ice, both water ice and carbon dioxide, so-called dry ice. So from the telescopes, we know that Mars does have ice. It has H2O, but not necessarily in liquid form. So some of the orbiters that NASA has sent photographing the planet in orbit around Mars have looked for evidence of geological evidence of water, and they have found it. Here is a collection of photographs taken from some of these orbiters where you see erosion that looks like water, and in dunes on Mars, no evidence for life, no evidence for water, but you'll see in a moment here that with a scoop, this rover did detect ice underneath the surface, and not very far underneath the surface. This white material, in fact, is water ice. It was analyzed by the rover. Here is more of it. And so the fact is, we do know that there is water there, but it does not appear to be in the form that is liquid. And so since you need liquid water over a long period of time, because we know that intelligent life, like humans, took many millions of years to develop, water had to be liquid on the surface of Mars for a long period of time if life was to develop there. It is possible, though, that the water is liquid underneath the surface because, like on Earth, when you go down beneath the surface, the temperature gets